Well, it is Sunday morning, and I am in the office getting ready for a busy week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. With that said, put out a blog article recently regarding the situation with Dak Prescott. I know that Mr. Prescott was not charged criminally, but the civil case, despite the weak nature, the weak allegation against him on the criminal side, which didn't go anywhere, the civil complaint, it's my understanding, is moving forward. I imagine at some point in time they'll be taking depositions, and we'll see where that case goes. But I put the article to show the real difference between civil and criminal liability with regards to the burden of proof. People who read my blogs and my video and watch my videos know that in criminal court it is guilt beyond reasonable doubt, whereas in civil court it is preponderance. Now that brings us back to the original point of what police need to charge a person. Now, in the situation of a criminal complaint, police do not need proof beyond reasonable doubt. And people often call our office and ask, well, how much evidence do police need? And really, it's not a perfect test, but a key piece of evidence, especially in a victim type crime, is the credibility of the alleged victim. Now, people have said, well, is that enough? And my answer to that is it can be. Obviously, if there's a strong alibi that police investigate, for instance, had this woman said that Dak Prescott did something on this date, but he was playing football in a different area and he was nowhere near what she had indicated in terms of location, that would end it effectively immediately, probably. Now, with regards to what other evidence they need, again, going back to the credibility of the victim, that is very important. Obviously, police will do their due diligence in terms of investigation, but when it comes to a victim crime, especially one in sexual nature, there's often a presumption that that particular crime is going to occur not in the presence of witnesses. So people say, well, it's just a statement of the individual who's the alleged victim, and I'm being charged with some type of sex crime. They don't have any physical evidence. Well, the truth is they don't need it. Now, obviously, physical evidence is obviously going to make the case stronger, but they don't need it. Same to go with late reporting. If the allegation goes by a week or two and the person reports it later on, does that mean the case is over? The answer is no. Again, late reporting can go to the weight of the evidence, but not necessarily mean that a person can't be charged. I'm going to link in the blog article that I wrote on Dak Prescott. In addition, I'm going to link in our latest weekly update. Remember, it is the weekend. We understand that a lot of our cases do come in on the weekends because people are out and about. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey, remember, do not refuse the chemical test. Be respectful to the officer. Do not allow the search of your car or your person. Remember that in Pennsylvania, police need a warrant to search your car. In New Jersey, warrantless searches are permissible. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, and videos are available there. At this point, we have probably well over 1,000 blogs. I believe well over 600 videos. So plenty of information. In addition, you have our strategy books, which are available as a no-cost download. We make this information available to our clients and their families and people who are thinking about retaining our law firm because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to receive a great result in our case. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429. Remember, if police do stop you and want you to make a statement, do not give a statement. Speak to an attorney first. Now that, remember, giving a statement is testimonial, whereas submitting to a breath test is not testimonial. So you don't have a right to refuse the chemical test. If you refuse the chemical test in the case of a DUI or DWI, the state can and will suspend your driver's license administratively. It doesn't matter what happens in the criminal case. But once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Sunday. Have a great weekend. Please enjoy it responsibly, and I will talk to you all very soon.